DJI's smallest flying camera is gearing up for a major generational update. The upcoming DJI Neo 3 has heavily surfaced across supply chain leaks, prototype sightings, and insider reports pointing directly toward a late 2026 launch. If these early specs hold true, DJI is addressing almost every major limitation of the previous generation while keeping the ultra-lightweight, beginner-friendly pocket form factor intact. Let's break down everything we know so far. The most notable rumored upgrade sits right in the camera department. Moving past the smaller sensor found on earlier models, the Neo 3 is expected to introduce a larger camera sensor designed to significantly enhance low-light performance and dynamic range. Even more exciting for creators, leaks suggest support for 10-bit D-Log M color profiles and enhanced HDR recording. This brings professional-grade color grading and flexibility directly to an ultra-compact pocket drone, making it much easier to match footage with heavier cinematic setups. Flight performance is also getting a welcome boost. Thanks to improved motor efficiency and smarter power management, insiders indicate the Neo 3 could achieve up to 24 minutes of flight time per battery, a solid step up for a palm-sized aircraft. Safety is another massive focal point. While earlier models relied heavily on basic forward and downward sensors, rumors point to a brand new tridirectional obstacle sensing system. This hardware shift will make autonomous tracking, QuickShots, and indoor flying considerably safer for beginners. Connectivity is taking a massive leap forward as well. Reports indicate the Neo 3 will adopt DJI's advanced O4+ video transmission technology, unlocking a potential transmission range of up to 10 kilometers in ideal open environments. That brings entry-level tier performance much closer to DJI's professional lineup. Competition in the lightweight creator category is fiercer than ever, especially with rivals like the HoverAir X1 Pro series pushing alternative form factors. However, DJI's unmatched software integration and ecosystem remain a massive advantage. While the DJI Neo 3 remains officially unannounced, the sheer volume of prototype leaks points to an exciting release on the horizon. What feature would make you upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more tech leaks. And hit that like button if you're excited for the ultimate pocket drone of 2026.